Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, Tech786. In this video, I would like to thank all my viewers and all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. A big thanks to all of you. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Today, I have reached 50k subscriber. It's a big milestone for my YouTube career. I started my YouTube career in 2012 and last couple of years, I've been doing it quite seriously. But without your support, this would not be possible, so a big thanks to all of you. I'll be making more amazing tech videos in the future. I will appreciate you keep supporting me and help me achieving my second milestone, which is 100k. Once I will achieve 100k, I'll be doing a lot of live chat, Q&A sessions with all my subscribers, because without you and your support, this would not be possible. So just few things about me I would like to share with my fellow subscribers. I started YouTube as a hobby and I never thought that this would turn out to be such a good profession. And I choose the topic tech because I like tech and I'm quite involved with the new gadgets and new smartphones. I like to do unboxing and camera reviews. I would like to be aware about what's happening in the tech world. So I would encourage any one of you would like to start your YouTube channel. My good wishes are with you and just follow your heart, follow your wishes. You never know where it will take you. So again, big thanks to all of you. Keep subscribing, keep watching my videos. It really means a lot to me and it really helps me a lot to buy new gadgets and do unboxings. Hope to see you all in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.